All right, folks, so today I'm going to clean up this hood hinge bracket for the 64 Corvette convertible. It's looking a little ratty, so we're going to throw it in a blast cabinet and clean it up. So here you can see this all nice and cleaned up now. Doesn't take long, about 3 minutes to do this part in our Scat Blast triple size. I missed a little spot under there, but that's okay. It's just getting, it's going to get a couple coats of paint, go back under the hood. They were in good shape, so I didn't need to replace these at all. And we'll be in good shape. I'll get some video of me throwing some paint on these, and then they'll look pretty good. All right, so I got these done. So we just need to hang these up. Looks like we only got one hook in here. Thought we had more hooks, I guess not. So we'll put this on, right? Pretty simple. I got a little fan in the wall here. Hopefully you can hear me with the fan on. We'll take just a spray bomb can, nothing too fancy. Don't need to go nuts. that's pretty much it. We'll get this coat of paint on here. We'll do a couple coats. So you can see here, right, looks pretty good. Right, got that baby all painted up. I'll do another coat on this in about 5 or 10 minutes. Then I'll paint the other one, and then they're ready to go back on the car after I paint the engine compartment.